Hi there, I'm Elena Love, and I'm here to talk to you guys today about some of my new things that I've been up to. A lot of people have been asking me why I switched from 100% raw food diet, which a lot of you have known me as for over, the last 20 years. I have a raw food culinary school, and I've been teaching raw foods and a raw food chef, and I had a cafe that was 100% raw. Why did I switch from all raw to eating a balance of cooked and raw foods? So I'm going to be sharing that with you in a series of videos coming up, and I'm really excited to be sharing some of the stuff that I've learned. And the interesting thing is, now that I'm 52, it's a new phase of my life, and it's actually really exciting. I started in a healthy, super healthy, clean diet in my 30s, and now 20 years later, over this time, a lot of things have changed. My body's asking for different things. I need different things to balance me. I'm living in a colder climate now in the winter. So there's just a lot of things that change. And this might happen for you as well. Like, you might find a diet that you think is perfectly healthy, whether that's a 100% ketogenic diet, a paleo diet, a vegan diet, a flexitarian diet, which I will get into in more detail in one of my videos. But that would be like eating a mainly one-way diet, but then being flexible with what you add in. So all of these things really come into play. And what I'm excited to be sharing with you guys is not that there's one way to do something, but that what I've learned over the last 20 years is that you can balance your hormones, you can balance your body, you can find what works for you as you go. And I've incorporated a lot more herbs now, and medicinal mushrooms and tinctures, and all of these new things that I'm finding to help balance your body without spending thousands of dollars. So really, if you're feeling frustrated, or you feel like, oh my God, I don't even know what to eat anymore, or I don't trust myself because I've tried these things and they haven't worked, I'm here to share with you that I've been on that journey as well, and I haven't given up hope, and I'm at a stage now where I'm feeling really good about my health and my body, and things are kind of coming back into balance. I was a little wonky there for a little bit, but now just refinding the balance as I've kept experimenting. So I'm going to be sharing a lot of that with you, including like how to get off sugar, what is CBD oil and how does it work, and should you be using it, and how to use it in recipes. And we're also going to be offering some really awesome programs coming up in 2019, which is going to be my Culinary Academy, and it's going to have also cooked foods, the grain-free. We're really into no grains, especially gluten, but grain-free diet, like how to make breads and pastries without grains, but also be able to cook them and not just do only raw. So there's a lot of really exciting stuff coming up, and I'm excited for you guys to be following along with me. So if you like this video and you like what you're seeing here, be sure to subscribe to our mailing list. Like this video, share this video, and give us some feedback. Send us an email and tell us what you want to hear about from me. I'm going to be doing a video series, like I said, will be coming to you weekly on videos, but I'll also be doing some other modalities such as podcast. I'm so glad you're here. Thank you so much for your support over these years. I'm just really excited to keep sharing with you everything that I'm learning. So I'll see you soon.